everyone, I'm Divyansh. I joined Anastasis Academy in May of 2024 and by far it has been one of the best decisions I have made this year. Just when I thought there was no right coaching institute fit for me, which catered to my needs, which catered to what I was expecting in a mentor, I came across Sir's Academy and it turned out to be a great decision for me. I believe Sir is clearly one of the best mentors out there in this industry. Talking about the classes, the sheets, the class sheets which are provided here are of top-notch quality. Because I think Sir's way of teaching is very different, which makes him different as a person and as a mentor. I think which is really needed during your CAT journey. The class sheets are excellent. The level of questions, because they contain all type of questions, all level of questions, which is really necessary. And the material here on the website is like enough to crack CAT. Because there are topic tests, there are sectional tests, there are past year papers, there are past year questions, and on top of that there is video solutions to them as well, I think, which are really important. I always thought DILR was my strong area, but what I was missing in my DILR prep was perspectives and the method of recording sometimes, which Sir helped me come across the problem what I was facing and providing a solution to it, which is I think very important. And talking about QA as well, I thought QA was a weaker area for me, but Sir's guidance, mentorship and the way of teaching QA is like totally excellent. I think it helped me crack QA in the first place, because I always thought I won't be able to crack QA. But because Sir's way of teaching is he will go from basic to basic level to an advanced level, and he would take 15 to 20 minutes even if needed for a basic to basic problem. And I think which is really needed, because you need to build your concepts and foundation in each and every section to ace CAT. And talking about during the latter part of the CAT prep, Sir used to take live sessions to analyze mock tests, to analyze various past year papers as well. And at the end, Sir also used to give us sheets which covered all the 3 sections, and he used to discuss those sheets the very next day. I think which helped me to revise all the concepts very thoroughly, because they contain of course all type of questions and all the prep you need during your last days of journey, I think, which is really important. Mentorship was also provided throughout the year. Whenever you need to connect with Sir, you can connect with Sir, and I think which is really needed. One-on-one guidance is really important during your CAT journey. I think Sir's way of teaching and Sir's guidance gives you a direction in the right path, and it motivates you to do your best always. And I think this is all I feel. I am really grateful for Anastasis Academy,